Hello friends, I'm Zara from CV Guys, and today, let's talk about how AI is reshaping creative industries without replacing human ingenuity. Artificial intelligence, some call it the ultimate disruptor, others, the ultimate collaborator. Today, we're diving into how AI is reshaping creative industries like writing, design, and filmmaking. But here's the twist. It's not replacing human ingenuity, it's amplifying it. So let me ask you, can a machine truly be creative, or is it just a tool that enhances our imagination? Let's explore. Let's start with writing. AI tools like ChatGPT are helping writers brainstorm ideas, break through creative blocks, and even refine their drafts. But here's the catch. It's still human intuition that decides what resonates emotionally. AI can suggest 10 ideas for a story, but only we know which one has the soul. Now on to design. Imagine having an assistant that never sleeps. AI tools can analyze trends, create prototypes, and even upscale images in seconds. Graphic designers are using these tools to save time and focus on what really matters, their unique aesthetic vision. It's like having a superpower, but you're still the hero of the story. And finally, filmmaking. AI is revolutionizing visual effects and animation, making production faster and more accessible. But the magic of storytelling? That's still in the hands of directors and creators who bring their humanity to every frame. So what does this mean for us? AI isn't here to replace creativity. It's here to push its boundaries. It's a collaborator that challenges us to think bigger and bolder. The question isn't whether AI can be creative, it's how we can use it to unlock new levels of creativity together. Let's embrace this exciting partnership and see where it takes us. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.